Hi everyone! This time we're gonna make a lightbox inspired by Darth Vader from the legendary Star Wars movies. Nothing difficult, 3 simple steps and you will get your own coolest lightbox. So, let's go! What we will need? First of all, we need a shadow box frame. You can buy it on eBay or your local craft store. I bought this frame from my local craft store. It's 20.3 by 25.4 centimeters or 8 by 10 inches. Same size. We'll be cutting templates. Also, I made A4 size templates for you. We also need printed templates for cutting, which you can download on my Patreon, link in description. I print templates on watercolor paper. It's hard enough and transmits light well. LED strip lights, which you can also buy on eBay or any supermarket. I bought a version with a switch, but you can use a version with a USB or batteries. Cutting mat, pen knife, super glue and foam board, also known as K-line. As usual, you can buy it on eBay or local craft store. Step 1. Cut out templates. Step 2. Making foam board frames. For each frame we need 2 strips of foam board 25.4 cm long and 2 strips 18.5 cm long. The width of the strips is 1 cm. The thickness of the foam board is 5 mm. We cut strips and glue them into a frame. We need 5 of these frames. Step 3. Assemble the light box. The last layer is a blank sheet of paper. Then glue the LED strip to the sides of the box. Cut a little wire hole and close the box. And we made it! Thank you for watching this video. If you have some questions, you can write them in the comments. To see more of my videos, subscribe to my channel and other social media. Also, you can support me on Patreon. All links below. See you soon!